Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Saraswati. Would like to bring to your notice the genre and the grammar vocabulary what you are supposed to learn from human relations. Human relations is a unit 3 in class 10th. The genre of this unit is particularly the journey is a narrative written by Y.D. Thongchi. In this particular lesson, the writer wants to bring to the notice of the readers that parents should be loved in the old age by the children. Here he worked very hard to bring up his child, and the child grew up and got a white collar job. So, in this particular narrative, he describes for the first time the son notices that his father's legs are like elephant legs and he doesn't have slippers too. This indicates that the carelessness of child. And parents also they help children to study, but they do not teach the children how to behave with parents. Sometimes, if money is given by father, they neglect mother. If money is given by mother, then they neglect father. So they do not know how to balance both parents. In this particular lesson journey, he explains clearly. So now let us see. What is the grammar that we are supposed to learn? In vocabulary, you must learn compound words, hyphenated and reduplicative words, and in grammar, simple past and past perfect. And the written discourses are essay and report. These things you are supposed to learn in the particular unit as a whole. And now let us see what is B reading. B reading is another woman. The genre of this another woman is a poem, and the author is Mrs. Imtiaz Dhakar. Every second we find a woman being set ablaze because of violence, domestic violence. So the poet wanted to bring to the notice of the readers that when they grow up, whether it is boy or girl, both are educated in the classroom. So when they grow up, they should fight against this domestic violence. To bring awareness among the children, this poem is included in the syllabus. And every child should learn how to respect the other spouse. Okay, and now let us see the C reading. What do you learn from this C reading? C reading is the Never Never Nest. The Never Never Nest is a play. The writer wants to tell that we should not purchase goods on installments. And here the Jack and Jill, both the couple, they bought everything what they need in installments. The gifts which they got on the wedding day, based on that they bought many things, a house, a stereo, chair, car, house, everything they bought, and the sofa where they are sitting. So at the end of the year when they gave birth to the child, they did not have sufficient money, so they did not bring the child to their house. When Aunt Jane came to visit them, she gave some money to them again. So they paid it and brought the child back to their home. If you buy things in installments, then your family becomes like that, where you will forget about the values of human values. Here, the child is very important, the firstborn, but they were unable to get the child home because they did not have money. So, avoid purchasing goods on installments. This is what we learn in this particular C reading. Okay, and thank you for watching. Please be with me and watch other videos, and like, share and subscribe. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you want other lessons also, the genre of the lessons, you please click my videos unit wise, you will be getting. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.